I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Check Questcraft server status and any maintenance alerts. Once done, confirm your username and password and make sure caps lock is off. Next, check the client version. If it's out of date, the server may reject login attempts. Update the game and relaunch. If you use a launcher, restart it too. These first steps remove the most common blockers quickly, so you can move on to targeted fixes. Now handle credentials and the network. Clear saved login data and retype credentials to avoid corrupted tokens. Then flush your DNS cache or switch to a public DNS such as 8 because stale DNS can route you wrong. Restart your router to refresh the connection. Once done, test with and without any VPN or proxy. Temporarily disable local firewalls or antivirus rules that might block the game. If disabling fixes it, add an explicit allow rule. These steps isolate whether the problem is account, local client, or network. Finish by repairing the client. Verify or reinstall game files to fix corrupted binaries. If login still fails, reset your account password and check your email for security flags or multi-factor prompts. Collect diagnostic info, error codes, timestamps, and a short list of steps you tried, and open a support ticket. If support asks, provide client logs from the last attempt. One quick troubleshooting tip: try a different network or mobile hotspot. If that works, you've confirmed a local ISP or router issue and can focus remediation there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.